How many ways can 5 cards be drawn from a regular deck of 52 cards in any order without replacement? Any order means the order doesn't matter. This is a combination. We're going to do it pretty much the way we did the permutation. For the first card, there are 52 choices. For the second card, 51 choices. Then 50 choices, then 49 choices, then 48 choices for the fifth card. We could look at that as 52 choices for the first card times 51 choices for the second card times 50 choices for the third card times 49 choices for the fourth card times 48. The other way of looking at this, we could think of this as 52 factorial, which is 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48 times 47 times 46, all the way down to times 3 times 2 times 1. In order to get 52 factorial to become this, 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48, I'm going to divide this by 47 factorial. Be the same thing. This gives us a nice formula that we could think of this as n factorial over n minus r factorial. But that's if the order matters. If the order doesn't matter, then let's say this is your winning hand, right? But if you drew the 3 of diamonds, then the 7 of spades, then the 8 of spades, and the jack of hearts, and the 7 of clubs, you would still win. We want to divide this result by the number of ways of arranging these cards. We're going to divide by 5 factorial. Okay, so it's going to be all that divided by 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It's 52 factorial divided by 47 factorial divided by 5 factorial. Or it's n factorial over n minus r factorial over r factorial, and that's your formula. Let's do that. Is equal to 52 factorial divided by 47 factorial divided by 5 factorial. That gives me 2,598,960 different ways that we could draw these cards in any order. And then we press enter to see if we're right. And that's it for level 17. Have a good day.